Unlocking the secrets of happy marriage. Discover marriage workshops. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special topic that many of you have asked about: marriage workshops. Whether you're newly married, engaged, or just curious about strengthening relationships, this video is for you. We're going to explore what marriage workshops are, their benefits, and why they might just be the key to a happier and healthier marriage. So, let's get started. Marriage workshops are structured programs designed to help couples improve their relationship skills. These workshops cover a wide range of topics, including communication, conflict resolution, emotional intimacy, and understanding each other's needs. They're often led by experienced counselors or therapists who provide practical exercises and discussions for couples to engage in. The goal is to foster a deeper understanding and stronger bond between partners. Attending a marriage workshop can be incredibly beneficial for any couple, regardless of the stage of their relationship. Here are a few key reasons why. Enhanced communication. Learn effective ways to communicate with your partner, expressing your thoughts and feelings without causing conflict. Conflict resolution. Gain tools to handle disagreements constructively, turning potential arguments into opportunities for growth. Strengthened connection. Discover new methods to deepen emotional intimacy and reconnect with your partner on a more profound level. Preventative measures. Workshops can help prevent future problems by addressing issues early and building a solid foundation for your relationship. Choosing the right marriage workshop can make all the difference. Here are some tips. Research the facilitators. Look for workshops led by qualified professionals with experience in marital therapy or counseling. Consider your goals. Think about what you want to achieve from the workshop and choose one that aligns with your relationship goals. Look for reviews. Seek out feedback from previous participants to gauge the effectiveness of the workshop. Accessibility. Ensure the workshop's location, schedule, and cost fit your needs. We hope this video sheds some light on marriage workshops and inspires you to consider them as a tool for nurturing your relationship. Remember, investing in your marriage is one of the most valuable investments you can make. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep striving for a happy and fulfilling relationship. Goodbye, and take care.